Picking where an expansion takes place is one of the most important decisions of the expansion. One thing I really like about the World of Warcraft franchise is that we can always kind of explore a lot of different territory. And we iterated through a lot of different locations. We thought about a lot of different settings that we could try. We thought about doing it in present-day Outland and adding new land masses, doing it on Azeroth. We thought of all kinds of variants. And one idea we kept coming back to was doing it on DRAENOR as it was, 30 years ago.
What excites me the most about DRAENOR is that it allows us as designers, as developers, to answer the unanswered, the questions that Outland left in the minds of players.
When you played through Outland previously, you got to see a lot of what happened to DRAENOR after the Burning Legion came to it, after they tore it apart. But there's fantasies that have existed there for a long time that we've seen played out in the RTSs previously, of the old orc clans in their prime.
It's this very important place in Warcraft lore that we haven't really seen in-game. It's not like Azeroth, where there's kingdoms upon kingdoms upon kingdoms for thousands of years back. It's so important. It's where the ogres come from. It's where the orcs came from. It's where the Draenei had a civilization. It's something that you really haven't seen in-game yet. This is a primal land, a land of giants. It's not a tamed world, it's a savage world. And that's the kind of place where you can have really exciting heroic adventures.
I think the biggest thing about DRAENOR that's exciting to me is the fact that we get to see the original orc clans. I think it's something that people have questioned the whole time they've been playing WoW. We've always seen little tidbits of maybe the Frostwolf clan could have been like this, like with Thrall and things like that, but we've never got to see where did they live, what was their life like. And I think that's really the most exciting aspect to explore, and then kind of integrating that into the gameplay across the whole game.
What excites me more than anything else about DRAENOR is being able to go back and see these orc civilizations as they were before all went to hell with the First and Second Wars. The orcs are kind of a big part of the heart and soul of what Warcraft is. And now we actually get to see them in their native form and see these distinct orc clans.
It's time for us to go back to a primal Warcraft, and the orc theme with DRAENOR really helps represent that. It's an orcs versus Azeroth, orcs versus humans. It's that orc invasion that started it all across the Dark Portal, and we're doing it again, but on a massive scale.
It's really nice to get back to something that really feels like it's the core of Warcraft. It's hard to imagine something more core than getting to see, really epic characters.
You get to interact with some of the most notable characters in Warcraft history. Gul'dan, Ner'zhul, who, of course, in Warcraft lore eventually becomes the Lich King. Durotan, Grommash Hellscream, a lot of these guys that, unless you played some of the early RTSs, you've really never gotten to experience at all.
So when it comes to the questing, actually being able to represent those orc hordes and see them with all their biggest, baddest leaders in their prime, it's exciting. It's something players, I think, have wanted for a really long time. It's something we're really excited to show.
The other thing that's really cool is just the fact that we get to go back to a place that we've been to before, but see everything that was there originally.
That we're going back to a pristine world before Burning Crusade, so we can reimagine this other world outside of Azeroth before anything happened. We can look at Karabor and see what that look at Taladar and see how that went. It gives us a chance to revisit these worlds in a totally new way.
There's a mystery there. There's a story to be told that we left unanswered with Outland, and I feel like this is our chance to show the world what this planet was whole.
I think you'll know in the first few minutes of gameplay what sets this apart. It's going to look better. It's going to look like nothing we've done before. This is a completely reimagined world. It's outside of Azeroth, so almost anything goes. I want people to be awestruck by the environments, because every new expansion is a new opportunity to push the limits of our game.